The ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years for its potential weight loss benefits and therapeutic uses in treating certain medical conditions. The main goal of the keto diet is to enter a metabolic state called ketosis, in which the body switches from using glucose, from carbohydrates, as its primary source of energy to using ketones, from fats, instead. This is achieved by drastically reducing carbohydrate intake to around 20 to 50 grams per day and increasing fat intake to 70 to 80% of daily calories. Research has shown that the keto diet can lead to significant weight loss in the short term, particularly in individuals who are obese or have type 2 diabetes. It may also improve blood sugar control, reduce inflammation, and potentially improve neurological conditions such as epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. However, the keto diet is not without potential risks and drawbacks. It can be difficult to maintain, may lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned, and may cause adverse side effects such as constipation, bad breath, and increased risk of kidney stones. The high fat intake may also increase the risk of heart disease in some individuals, particularly those with a history of heart problems. Overall, while the keto diet may be effective for weight loss and have some potential therapeutic uses, it is important to carefully consider its potential risks and drawbacks before starting the diet. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits. In conclusion, the keto diet can be an effective tool for weight loss and has potential therapeutic uses for certain medical conditions. However, it is important to carefully consider its potential risks and drawbacks before starting the diet, and to ensure that adequate nutrient intake and protein intake is maintained. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting the keto diet or any other new diet.